Hi guys, you're on Elimination Channel. Today I'll tell you how to play Sheep's Head. Sheep's Head is a point trick card game, and I don't know where this game was created, you can so you can find out about that in the internet. So yeah. Also, uh, this is my another toy, my plush toy. I'm I'm having it since 2025, and I don't remember what name I gave him, so let's just say his name is Sil. So yeah, say hi everyone to him. He will participate into this video because Sheep said it's a game of 5 players. So yeah, the game is using a deck of 32 cards from sevens to aces. Superiority of cards is almost identical to the one that is used in the card game Zola, which means that in in spades, hearts, and clubs, superiority of cards is 7, 8, 9, uh, king, 10, ace, and the same superiority is used in diamonds. Uh, superiority of jacks and queens, jack of diamonds, jack of hearts, jack of spades, and jack of clubs, then queen of diamonds, queen of hearts, queen of spades, queen of clubs. So yeah. Um, diamonds, jacks, and queens are permanent trumps, and jacks are going after ace of diamonds, and queens are going after jack of clubs. Also, uh, which means that seven is the non-trump seven, regular seven is the weakest card in the game, while Queen of Clubs is the strongest one. So yeah. Mm. I already told you the amount of players, which is 5, and it is always played with 5 players, not less or more. And the object of the game is getting is getting some points or getting the most amount of points in a game of multiple rounds. So yeah. Players are choosing the amount of points or the amount of rounds before the game. In the start, one of the players will give everyone uh, 3 cards with 3 cards at a time. Um, then few cards are placed onto the middle of the surface, and each player is getting another 3 cards. 10 deal ends, and the bidding begins. So so yeah. So the leftmost player sitting near the dealer is the first player choosing pass or play. Pass means that player doesn't want to play, and the choice is going to the next player. Play means that player wants to play, and and gets and replaces two cards, usually the most useless ones, with the two buying cards. So yeah, and also the playing player, the player who says play in the bidding, is called picker. So yeah, and yeah, picker. After placing the cards, picker is pronouncing the one of the non-trump aces. The owner of that ace is becoming the partner of picker. So yeah, those two are becoming a team, just like the three remaining players. So the points of two teams are summed up. So yeah, which means that the points are adding up to a total amount. So yeah. So after choosing the partner, the bidding ends and the gameplay begins. The the leftmost player sitting near the dealer is the first player putting a card. Putting a card also. uh, Opponents of picker will know about the partner only after seeing the chosen ace in the trick. So yeah. and the gameplay is is almost identical to the one that's used in the typical trick taking card game, which means that players must follow the suit. If they're not having the suit, they must put any card of their choice. uh, the owner of the last trick starts the new one. Starts the next trick, and players are playing like that until losing every card. They also must put a trump onto another trump, even if the correct suit is even if they are holding the correct suit in their hand. So the gameplay has six tricks, and each player is getting six cards. So yeah. After every trick, the gameplay begins and the point counting begins. The points of two cards, the buy-in or two useless cards, uh, are basically adding up to the total amount of tricks with the points. So yeah, this is basically like solid or scat. So yeah. Um, uh, the picker and their teammate, their partner must get at least 61 points in the round, and the 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 value of cards in points: sevens, eights, and nines are 0 points, jacks are 2 points, queens are 3 points, kings are 4 points, tens are 10 points, and aces are 11 points. And now here is the oh wait no, never mind. Hmm. So if if um if Picker and their partner will get 120 tricks, oh wait no, 120 points in every trick, then they will get then Picker will get 6 points and the partner will get 3 points. Each opponent will get minus 3 points. And if 91, 91, at least 91 points the is giving 4 points to the picker, 2 points to the partner, minus 2 points to each opponent. 61 points will give 2 points to picker, 1 point for team for partner, and minus 1 point for each opponent. Uh, getting only 30, getting 31 point, or basically from getting from 31 or from 31 to 60 points will give minus 4 points to picker, minus 2 points to their partner, and 2 points to each opponent. Um, yeah, 0 points from 0 to 30 will give minus 8 points to picker, minus 4 to the partner, and 4 points to each opponent. Getting 0 points and 0 tricks will give minus 12 points to picker, minus 6 points to partner, and 6 points to each opponent. There is also a variant where where the owner of Ace of Diamonds is becoming Picker's partner or teammate. So yeah. So what else can I say? The bidding only each player has 2 points in the has only two options in the bidding. So yeah. Alright, I think I told you everything about this game. I hope you now know how to play Sheepset. Hope you enjoyed and liked this video. And I have nothing else to say, so yeah. Goodbye.